Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you the new ES settings that I've been working on for a while, and they are working real well. Run the bot overnight on ES, just one contract, and we're looking for the 50% profit, which we have $500 per contract, so we're looking for $250 profit. But I went ahead and let it take the next trade. That's $375, so it's over 50%. And what you have to think of is, if you want more money, just trade more contracts. So you could do, let's just say you did 10 contracts. That's only $5,000 a trade. You could do one trade, get your $1,000, and be done. So let me show you the trades that we had overnight. This one right here, I didn't have it turned on in time, but it would have taken this trade. So you could have got your first trade here. There's your second one, and there's your third one. So this would have been your 50% there. Then we had a loser, and then we had a winner and a winner. So the bot's actually doing very well. It's Coaster Bot, and the settings are in the template. You just have to load the ES settings, and we've run it on a 10 Spy Money bar. It's doing very well, very pleased with it. I have been back testing it for quite a while, and everywhere I look, I'm not saying it won't have a losing trade, because you can see right there it did. But the end result is it's made money every day that I've used this, and I haven't found a day yet that it lost money. And that's not to say you won't have one or two losses in a row, but it always pulls itself out. And that's the main thing. So today we're sitting on 80%, and it's doing very well, 80% win rate. So we've had, what is that, it would be more than that if I'd have turned it on at the open. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, 1 loss. 80% win rate. It's doing very well. This is going to allow people that want to trade the S&P 500, and we've always traded the NASDAQ and done very well, but some people just can't trade it, get very scared of the NASDAQ because of the way it moves. But this will slow things down for you, allow you to do better with it, and you can see it could make some more money, but we've got our settings based on averages, and as long as we can get the average and let it make the money, then that's all we need. So only thing you need is 3 winning trades to get your 50%, and it seems to do a lot of winning trades in a row, no matter when we start. So like this one right here, we had 1, 2, 3. That would have been your 50% trade, or 50% goal, and then you had a loss here, but you had 2 more wins there. So if you got another win, you could bid your 50%. So it's actually doing very well. All you have to do is load the bot, load the template, and you are off to the races. So it's doing very well. We have a lot of people already starting to use it, and good results. So that's the main things. When everybody can use it pretty easy, then it makes it easier for everybody. But this is the template. It'll automatically load. Only thing you have to do is put it on the account you want to trade, put it on 10 Spy Money bar ES, and turn it on. And again, I do not recommend running bots unattended, but it's actually doing very well. There's also a little update. I don't think I can show this. Let me look here. No, I can't show it, but it's got too much personal information on it. But I do have an update on Quantower. I tell you what, I'll make that on a different video because it's going to be kind of lengthy, and I'll see if I can't make it to where we can show a little more information on it. And to get started on this, what you want to do is go to SpyMoneyLLC.com. When you go there, you're going to click on the Ninja Suite here at the top, this little tab. Scroll down, there's a video that will play for you, explain a little bit of what the Ninja Suite is. basically you get everything. There's no other hidden fees. There's no matter what I build or make, you always get it. It's always included. It's one fee, and that's all. It's $1,300 for 30 days. It's renewable automatically every 30 days. If you choose not to, you can always cancel. For the most part, when people sign up, they do very well and continue to lease. I've had people that's been with me for almost 5 years now, and people still in the program and doing very well. But if you scroll down here, you're going to get the auto trading bots. Right now we only have 4 that's out. Everybody pretty much uses the Coaster bot. That's really the only one we need. And Coaster seems to be the most consistent bot that I've built, and it does a very good job. Then we have the indicators, a lot of different indicators, more than here. You get all of those. You get the add-ons, the drawing tools, and then if you have any questions, read through these questions first, because it's probably going to be answered right here. So if you go ahead and read through this, then we should get all the answers that you need. And if not, go up here to the Contact Us. When you go to Contact Us, you put in your information here, your question. I am the one that responds back to it, so I'll be happy to help you. Also, in order to get started, you have to read through this. When you read through all of this and you agree to it, then what you want to do is go ahead and left click and highlight it, copy it, and then you want to go back to the Contact Us page, and you're going to put your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If you don't have this information, I won't send you a link. And then right click and paste, and that will put it in here. You submit it, and that creates a binding contract between the both of us. And it just makes sure that you know what you're getting into, you know the rules, you know the terms and conditions and so forth. I just want to make sure everybody's on the same page. We also offer funded accounts, and the one thing what got me over to Quantower is it seems like NinjaTrader and the prop firms and Rhythmic, the API just doesn't work right. There's always accounts being blown and so forth because of the glitches and so forth. So I went over to Quantower, and I've been trying it, and I've got it on some Apex accounts, and it's doing very well, no glitches. That's going to be another video. So I would recommend doing the Apex as long as you're doing it with the Quantower, and it seems to do very well. With NinjaTrader, I don't know what it is. Everybody's pointing fingers, but I know that if I use Apex on Quantower, I haven't had one glitch. If I use Apex on NinjaTrader, it glitches all the time. So you tell me. But there's 4 different ones that appear that we recommend. They all have their own little problems that they have, and they have their own rules, and one person might think one's better than the other, but quite honestly, Apex, now that I've been using it on Quantower, I'm pretty happy with it, and I think that that's probably what I'll end up doing. Once I have everything done on Quantower, it will be made available to everybody at the same price. So you'll be able to use NinjaTrader products and also Quantower products at the same price. So you can just pick the one you want, use both, whichever one you want. There are some coupons down here. If you use this coupon here, that will get you in and get you, right now I think it's 80% off on Apex. It's doing very well. I've been back and forth about the different ones, but with using Quantower, it's actually working very well, so that's probably the one I would do. I don't know all the rules because they just recently changed them, but I know that they do pay out, and I think they have they did have a consistency rule, and I think they just threw that out, so I'm not real sure of everything. But if you just click on this here, it will take you to their site, and you can read through. Any of these right here, you just click on the icons. It'll take you to their site, let you look over and see which one you like best. Again, nothing better than a live account, but now that I've got Apex, I bought 5 accounts, and they're $50,000 accounts, and they're working very well. on the Quan Tower. So I'm hoping to have the Quan Tower released to everybody here within about 2 weeks. I've made most of the indicators. We're working on the bot now, and then I'll be able to get it released out. Also, VPS, if your computer's not up, to what it should be, if you look on the NinjaTrader site, you'll see what they recommend. If you don't have a good enough computer, instead of spending the money on a computer, just get you a VPS. And with a VPS, you can actually trade on a very good computer with better internet even. This is the one I recommend, the medium. Just click on here. It'll take you to a site that I partnered with and allow you to get started on it. Again, the Ninja Suite, there's several videos here that you can watch. Come down through toward the bottom. It will show you several videos of it trading and so forth, and let you kind of see what's going on with it. Also, if you go up to the top, there's I put most videos on YouTube. If I can get this up there. If you go right up here, there is a YouTube link right here. Actually, right here. That's Instagram. But if you click on the YouTube link, that will take you to my site. When you look on there, there's going to be a lot of videos that you can watch. And I post almost daily on there of how the bots performed and so forth. And that will let you know what to do. Of course, if you're watching this video, you're probably watching it on YouTube. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Be happy to help you get started. We are getting to the end of the leases. So hurry up and get started in right now. Once I cut it off, last year I cut it off on December 15th, and I opened it up again a few months ago for some new people. And as long as I can manage it, I'll keep it open. But when it gets to where it's overwhelming, I will turn off the lease for no new members. So if you're interested, I would advise you to get started on it. Once I shut the lease down, you won't be able to get in. Having questions, let me know, and you guys have a really good day, and I wish you the best with the news this week. There's a lot of news. So be careful trading, and I'll see you later.